the baby most liked superheroes. So these are babies and the kids who garnered enough likes sa Facebook, okay? So kung medyo yung buong pamilya nyo nag-Facebook talaga for this, eto na, i-announce ko na ang winners. And the most liked superheroes baby category are candidate numbers 21. Followed by number 6. And finally, the most liked superhero baby category is candidate number 16. Please join us on stage.
Yes, please join us on stage.
Once again, the most liked superheroes online by Facebook are number 21, number 6, and number 16.
Yan. Kung merong most like baby superhero, syempre meron namang most like kiddie superhero. So natawagin ko ang mga most likes sa Facebook ng mga kids. So our first candidate is candidate number 71. Next is candidate number 74. Next candidate is candidate number 79. And of course, the most likely superhero is candidate number 73. Buong barangay ang kilala sa Facebook.
Once again, for online donations and special announcements on top of this, just add Innovision.production. Facebook.com/Innovision.production.
Okay. If you want to like our Facebook fan page, www.facebook.com/innovision.production. At ngayon, meron na kaming 280,000 likes. Kaya keep on liking, guys.